In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide comments in Notion. If you are sharing a workspace, publishing a document, or just want a cleaner, distraction-free view, hiding comments, also called page discussions, can be really helpful. I'll walk you through how to do this on a regular Notion page, and then how to make sure the same setting applies to every page inside a database. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along in real time. First, let's start with a single Notion page. Open the Notion page where you want to hide comments. Look to the top right corner of the page for the three-dot menu. It's the small icon with 3 dots in a row. Click that to open the page options from the menu that appears. Choose Customize Page. In the Customization panel, find the setting labeled Page Discussions. Toggle this setting to off. When this is turned off, the discussion area on that page is hidden from view, which helps keep the page focused on the content itself. If you ever want comments back, you can return to the same menu and toggle it on again just as easily. Now, if your content lives inside a database like a table, board, list, or gallery, you'll likely want the same clean experience across all the database's pages, not just one. Go to the database page and open its top right 3-dot menu. Just like before, select Customize Layout. This option controls how individual pages within the database are displayed. In the Layout settings, find Page Discussions and set it to off. This hides discussions on any page created from that database. To make sure the setting applies consistently, choose Apply to All Pages. This ensures every existing page in the database and any new ones you create will have discussions hidden by default. So you don't need to repeat the change page by page. A couple of quick notes to help you avoid surprises. Turning off page discussions hides the comment panel on the page. It doesn't delete any comments. If you turn it back on later, your previous discussions will still be there. Also remember that this setting is about visibility and layout, not permissions, so it won't change who can view or edit the page, just whether the discussion section shows. That's it. You've hidden comments on a single page, and you know how to roll that out across an entire database for a consistent, streamlined look. Thanks for watching.